Welcome back, guys, on my channel Mark the Farmer. Today I'll be working on this International Baler B46. It needs some job done, so let's start. I need to take this cover off because I will need to change the belt as well. So this here is bent inside because of this when it was hitting down. So I will try to make it flat again. I will see what I can do. First thing, I will put these two absorbers here. I need to make them I made them from the hardwood, so it will last for a while. Now the snail is moving much more smoother. Before I put these new ones, this was so beat up that this thing was lying down on the metal, so the snail was like touching over the ground and these pickups, and then everything is like sharp like razors. It's not good. Now the only thing that is bothering me is this thing is sliding when it spins. It slides all the way to the wall. This is the issues here, but I don't know if I can fix that. Let me see. Try to put it out. Everything is so stuck. it's moving. Yes, finally. So I can take the snail out. I will need to weld it here. I need to bring the welder down and then weld this hole a little bit so that it won't shake too much. It's very beat up. So I managed to weld and make the hole a bit narrow. So now I just need to drill. So now I will need to twist the tail, the belt around, because this snail is turning the opposite way than this one. So So I finished the belt, and now I will move here on these forks where I was looking for the baler. I was looking on internet, so I saw this from the pictures. It was nice to see. Uh, the paint was repainted, and the thing is that the dealer said that it wasn't running for a year. So when I got there, he doesn't have a tractor, so I spin the flywheel by hand, and I see that everything was running well. But when I bring it home, because I was like running for about 15 minutes, try to do some bells, and I see that is not what was I expected. So the PTO shaft is beat up, the U-joints are missing. Here is the PTO shaft. You can see that there's a movement. It was more movement. It's now. Then I cut here and press this a little bit together and then weld it just to take a spin to see if everything is working. So here is the oil leak. You can see it's coming out, maybe a seal. This happened when I was running about 15 minutes. So, and the mechanism is all painted. This is something I really don't like. I put some grease around and some oil. The problem has come out. The twine was missing the knot because here you can see is an original knife, but it's not sharp. And this knife is, I don't know, homemade or not from this Baler. So this one wasn't cutting. And inside here, where the twines are, they're missing a twine tensioner. See, there's no twine tensioner. What else is missing? Some springs are missing. This one. This one here is missing. Other one was in here was broken, so I took it out. I need to order the other one. So what else is missing? The belt was beat up. I need to make it work for the hay season, or there will be some problems. So now I will move in here for this. I'll put this in the second hole and then took a measure from here to here to see if everything is in place. I buy this, actually it was in a PDF file. I will put the link in the description below where I buy it. This is what my girlfriend put everything together, so in here it's a International Baler owner's manual. You can see everything, how it needs to be, what needs greasing and oil and twines and everything in it. It's a very good thing to have if you're doing the repairs by yourself, so it's a nice book. So now I will do these measurements. It needs to be from 21 to 22 inches from this hole into this. This is here. I will put it here on the second one, so from here to here. Need to be about 21 to 22 inches. It's about 21 and a half, so that's good. So I took the bell out to see where the needles are, and one is missing a twine again, like always. Down there you can see the needle is missing the twine, so I think is something wrong with this one. It always do that. And what I see from here, the needles are a bit up. So now I put the plunger a bit down and the needle is way down. So I think I will need to put the needles a bit more up. So then when it was when here is gonna making a knot, so that you just catch that one in. Let's see. I think I will need to adjust this here a bit more up. So this is why I don't like repaint, because everything is jammed because of the color. Just hate that. Just try to heat this up, flame, and let's see what is gonna happen. So I try to heat this so it could expand, but it's so solid it won't move nothing, so I need to make a plan B. I will cut this here in half and then I will put the long bolt and a nut so I can adjust the height or the length of this, and then it will be good. So this is everything for the part 1. Stay with me, and part 2 will be next week when I will make this here and the twine tensioner and replacing these knives in here and there, and that's probably everything. On maybe this seal and the PTO shaft. So stay with me. If you like the video, press the like button. If I making something wrong, you can put down in comments. I will put the link in the descriptions for the book, owner manual. So if you need, you can buy it on their site. So thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye bye.